Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your MetaTrader account to BitaSei so your trade gets to sync automatically. First, you need to make sure you're logged in. Go to our settings, and from our settings, go to connected accounts. And in connected accounts, you're going to see MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So we click on MetaTrader 5. Now, if you do not have MQ5 downloaded on your system, you can follow this link, metaquote.net, to download it. Once you are done downloading it and create account or sign up, that's all for that particular one. Next thing you are going to do is to download our BitaSei Expert Advisor on your system. So once you download it, it's going to appear on your system. Next is to copy the BitaSei Expert Advisor that you downloaded, come to your MQL5 that you also downloaded and set up, come to File, then go to Open Data Folder. Once this data folder is open, go to MQL5, go to Experts, then go to Advisors. Remember, you downloaded our BitaSei Expert Advisor. You just have to simply paste it here. And that's all for this particular one. Now we are done with the step 2. Next is the step 3, where we have to simply return back to our MQ4. Yeah, we return back to our MQ4 and simply use our F4 button on our keyboard, or fin F4. So within F4, all we have to do is simply do compile here. And once you do compile, we make sure that you get 0 errors, 0 warnings, and then you know that, okay, this is now connected. First step, connected. Next is to add our API to your web request URL. So simply copy this api.bitasei.com, yeah. Return back, it says go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisor. So return back to your MQ5, go to Tools, Options, then Expert Advisor. Make sure you enable this first so it allows you to edit. You need to double click for this thing to edit before you can now paste it. Yeah. So once you have pasted it, you just simply click OK. And you have simply linked our API to your MT4. Next is on whatever pair you want, say GBP USD, you simply have to be on the chart and drag our EA Expert Advisor into the chart. Yeah. Once you drag it into the chart, next thing you are going to see is common and inputs. Click on input. In clicking on input, it said that you need to paste your webhook URL. Now let's finally get our webhook URL so we can connect the particular pair we want. So when we trade that particular pair and it closes, it automatically syncs into our system. What are those pairs that we want? Let's say we want Euro USD, we want GBP USD, we want USD CHF. You need to add all the pairs that you want here. You can say it's for Forex trades, and you can decide to leave the date like this, and then you click on Connect MetaTrader 5. Once it's connected, it's still being in the setup mode, so this webhook URL is going to be generated for you. Simply copy the webhook URL, return back to our BitaSei EA for GBP USD. On the value side, double click for it to open, and you paste that your webhook URL that you copied. Once you paste, click on OK. Now this simply means that once you have automatically connected your MQ5 to our BitaSei Expert Advisor. So whenever you place a trade, say we place a trade on this GBP USD, yeah, we execute, let's say 5 trades, yeah, and then we close any of the trade, for example. Once you have linked it, just wait for some minutes, and then your this will change to active. This simply means that you have automatically connected your MT5 to our BitaSei account. So whenever you close a trade in your MT5, whenever you close a trade, say we close this trade, yeah, it automatically gets to your what? It automatically gets to your BitaSei account. So let's head over to, say, our journal. And you are going to see the last trade we closed, which is Euro USD at 0.7. Yeah, that's it here. So let's check out the time we closed this pair. 1 minute, 11 and So that's how your trades get automatically synced to our platform, and you can actually add your emotions based on how you feel about that trade. Yeah, how you feel about that trade, and simply save up. So every trade you make in your forex account automatically syncs to our BitaSei, but you must follow these steps in order to what, get all those trades synced, whether the ones you took back in 2021, 2022. All you have to do is, when you come to our connected account and you want to link it, you just have to select the date range. That's all. Thank you guys.